Hello and welcome everybody. I'm Andrew and today I'm out on the northeast coast of Norfolk between Happisburgh and Sea Palling, and it's a special date today because it's the 20th of June. Tomorrow is the summer solstice and the longest day, first day of summer, and I'm intending to wild camp here in the dunes. I've got to go and find a suitable location in order to see the rising of the sun tomorrow. So I thought I'd come out and celebrate the solstice with a solitary solo wild camp. I found an assortment of driftwood on the beach, some twigs, a bit of old driftwood, some branches here, and just processed that, ready now to light a fire. In one of my other videos you'll see that I came down to this part of Norfolk, very close to this stretch of beach, for the new year, but that was a completely different experience. That was the shortest day of the year, and this is going to be the longest day of the year, the shortest night. The weather is completely different, it's mild, dry and very pleasant. Very nice sunset, 9:05, and the sun is obviously setting, but it's got a little way to go before it goes below the horizon. Of course, it's time for a small beer. Today I've got a beer de Ur des Flanders. Cheers. Guten Appetit. Okay, the plan is tomorrow set the alarm for about 4 o'clock, maybe even earlier, 3:45, in order to set up my time-lapse camera, try and catch the dawn for you, and hopefully it'll be a good clear sky and it'll be the dawn of the longest day. I can see Happisburgh Lighthouse. I've kept the burner going just for a little bit of company. and I'll show you underneath the tarp. I've got these adjustable walking sticks here, 2 of those. There's my rucksack, and there's my sleeping bag. Keep my sleeping bag inside Gore-Tex bivy bag, really to protect it from the sand more than anything else. My shoes and my cycling helmet, and today I'm using the reeler-free sleeping mat. It has its own pump here for inflation, but it is a little bit noisy. Well, as the sun sets, I'll bid you goodnight, and I'll see you tomorrow for the dawn of the longest day. Good night to you. Wow, nothing more bracing than a quick dip in the North Sea. I can't really call that a swim, but I've done it. And that's 4:30 in the morning. Yeah, here's my shelter. Pretty comfortable there last night. And just looking up the coast, you can see Happisburgh Lighthouse, which we saw shining last night. And then round that corner, that's Munsley. Then it's Overstrand and Cromer. I'm going to reward myself now with some eggs and bacon, a full English on the first day of summer.